the aftermath of the assault bike.
Okay, so there's no weight on this bar because this is simply an instructional video for our app, but we do this so we can do this. This is where back squats come into play. So we do what we do in the gym so that we can do what we need to do safely in real life. Notice as I'm picking up these logs that I'm not just bending over and grabbing them. I'm getting deep down into my squat. I'm making sure that my back is nice and straight before I pick the weight up. We never want to be picking up that weight with the muscles in our back. We simply stabilize our back to carry the weight, but we pick it up with the strength of our legs.